Hi everybody, Rusty Albertson, Director of Communications. Hey, I wanted to give you an update on the ramp on the new north side, the new ramp on the north side of the church and the steps. As you can see, the ramp, the outside structure of the ramp has been built. They have laid gravel here. They will obviously pour concrete. Then we'll have a railing system above. So you can see it's a lot less steep, and then you'll get up to here, and then this will be more concrete here. They just haven't finished it, but you can see kind of where this is going to go, and there'll be some more. Obviously they'll tear the old ramp out, but this is where the new ramp is going to be and what it's going to look like. So once just going to give you a peek from that, because this is a big part of our construction project, is adding a new easier to get up to ramp for those with the railing on the side. They'll be much more accessible during the winter months, and it won't be so steep. So hope you enjoyed this quick video. Have a great day. God bless everybody.